Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to lower the back seats on the 2006 Pontiac G6. This works from 2005 to 2010. So what you have to do, open the trunk, and in the trunk you will see two gray levers. You just pull left one for the left portion of the back seat, right one for the right portion of the back seat. So I'll show you that right now. Just pull it, and that's how you lower the seats. And you can see the seat is going down. Same thing with the other one. And when you wanna push it back in, just do it a bit harder and it's gonna pop right in. Okay, that's it. Nice and short. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it, and help me expand this channel.